What's up, guys? It's Jay from PC Motorsports. Today's like day, I think Saturday was 16, so 17. Day 18, I think. It's just me and Preston in the shop, but gonna start pulling off stuff off the LS. Already got the intake manifold and little stuff. Get it ready to go to the machine shop and start putting some new parts on it. But show you. Driver side off. Gonna pull the other head. I don't know what else we're gonna do today. We'll see. But yeah, so got the driver side head off. Gonna pull the other side. Got the manifold off, all that. So that's where we're at. Keep you updated. Keep watching. So we got it down to the block. Old Preston was helping a little bit, but that's all for today. We're gonna sell the 350 that was in it. But like, comment, subscribe, share as much as possible. Help us get this build out there. Remember to follow Hotshot Customs 1 and PC_Motorsports on social medias. And other than that, keep up with the build. Like I say every day, I think you'll like it. It's a progress, but it's coming together. All right, late.